Assalamu alaikum. First of all praise is due to Allah, who is the Lord of the world, Master of the Day of Judgment. Peace be upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who was sent as a martyr to the whole universe, and peace be upon his companion. The respect to you who are watching my YouTube channel. If you are not still subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell button to get update videos. So today we are going to learn one of the important topics for BCS and other competitive exam. It may be bank exam or BCS or any other exam. This is the English literature. And in today's video, we'll try to learn all the previous year questions of the Victorian period. Because in our all previous video lecture, we'll try to learn from the Old English period to the Romantic period, and in today's video we will learn all previous year questions from the Victorian period. So let's start. Question number 1. Who is not a Victorian poet? Who is not a Victorian poet? Correct answer. Option C. Alexander Pope. Alexander Pope. Question number 2. Robert Browning was a dash poet. Robert Browning was a dash poet. Correct answer. Option B. Victorian poet. Question number 3. David Copperfield is a dash. David Copperfield is a or an dash Nobel. Correct answer. Option A. Victorian Nobel. Question number 4. London town is found a living being in the work of dash. London town is found a living being in the work of dash. Correct answer. Option B. Charles Dickens. Question number 5. A song embodying religious and sacred emotions. A song embodying religious and sacred emotions is called hymen. Hymen, right? Or hymen. Okay. So question number 6. In which century was the Victorian period? In which century was the Victorian period? Correct answer. Option C. 19th century. Question number 7. Who excels in dramatic monologue? Who excels in dramatic monologue? Correct answer. Option B. Robert Browning. Browning, right. Question number 8. Who wrote the book Ibn Huey? Ibn Huey. Correct answer. Option D. Sir Walter Scott. Sir Walter Scott. Right. Question number 9. Which poetry is written by Sir Walter Scott? Which poetry is written by Sir Walter Scott? Correct answer. Option A. Patriotism. Right. Question number 10. Who wrote the poem Ulysses? Who wrote the poem Ulysses? Correct answer. Option B. Alfred Tennyson. Alfred Tennyson. Right. Question number 11. Tennyson wrote dash. Tennyson wrote dash. Correct answer. Option A. The Lotus Eaters. The Lotus Eaters. Question number 12. The Falcon is a comedy by dash. The Falcon is a comedy by dash. Correct answer. Option D. Alfred Tennyson. Alfred Tennyson. Question number 13. Which of the following ages in literary history is the latest? Which of the following ages in literacy history is the latest? Correct answer. Option D. The Victorian Age. The Victorian Age. Question number 14. Browning was the composer of any of the following poems. Browning was the composer of any of the following poems. Correct answer. Option C. Andrea del Chartreux. Andrea del Chartreux. Chartreux, right. Andrea del Chartreux. Question number 15. Who is the poet of Victorian Age? Who is the poet of Victorian Age? Correct answer. Option B and D. Matthew Arnold and Robert Browning. Right. Question number 16. Who among the following is not a recipient of the Nobel Prize in Literature? Who among the following is not a recipient of the Nobel Prize in Literature? Correct answer. Option D. Robert Browning. Question number 17. The poem The Patriot is written by dash. The poem The Patriot is written by dash. Correct answer. Option B. Robert Browning. Robert Browning. Question number 18. Browning wrote dash. Browning wrote dash. Correct answer. Option A. Rabbi ben Ezra. Rabbi ben Ezra. Question number 19. Who is a Victorian poet? Who is a Victorian poet? Correct answer. Option C. Matthew Arnold. Question number 20. The scholar Gypsy wrote by dash. The scholar Gypsy wrote by dash. Correct answer. Option A. Matthew Arnold. Question number 21. One of the following authors is France. Who is he? One of the following authors is France. Who is he? Correct answer. Option D. Alexander Dumas. Alexander Dumas. Question number 22. Matthew Arnold belongs to dash. Matthew Arnold belongs to dash. Correct answer. Victorian Age. Option B. Right. Question number 23. Who is the author of the novel Three Musketeers? Three Musketeers. Correct answer. Option D. Alexandre Dumas. Alexandre Dumas. Question number 24. Vanity Fair is a dash. Vanity Fair is a dash. Correct answer. Option D. Novel. Question number 25. Vanity Fair is a novel by dash. Vanity Fair is a novel by dash. Correct answer. Option B. Thackeray. Thackeray, right. Question number 26. The writer of David Copperfield is dash. The writer of David Copperfield is dash. Correct answer. Option C. Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens. Question number 27. Who wrote the two famous novels David Copperfield and A Tale of the Two Cities? Who wrote the two famous novels David Copperfield and A Tale of the Two Cities? Correct answer. Option D. Charles Dickens. Question number 28. Charles Dickens was the writer of dash. Charles Dickens was the writer of dash. Correct answer. Option C. David Copperfield. David Copperfield. Right. Question number 29. A Tale of Two Cities is a novel by dash. A Tale of Two Cities is a novel by dash. Correct answer. Option A. Dickens. Question number 30. Charles Dickens is a great dash. Charles Dickens is a great dash. Correct answer. Option D. Novelist. Question number 31. Which book Charles Dickens wrote? Which book Charles Dickens wrote? Correct answer. Option C. David Copperfield. Question number 32. Charles Dickens is not the novelist for one of the following. Charles Dickens is not the novelist for one of the following. Correct answer. Option B. Treasure Islam. Treasure Islam. Question number 33. Who did not receive Nobel Prize in Literature? Who did not receive Nobel Prize in Literature? Correct answer. Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy, right? Question number 34. One of the four mentioned below is not a novelist of modern age in English literature. Who is he? One of the four mentioned below is not a novelist of modern age in English literature, English language. Who is he? Correct answer. Option B. Charles Dickens. Question number 35. Who is the author of the book War and Peace? Who is the author of the book War and Peace? Correct answer. Option A. Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy. Question number 36. Leo Tolstoy is a dash novelist. Leo Tolstoy is a dash novelist. Correct answer. Option D. Russian. Russian novelist. Right. Correct answer. Option D. Question number 37. Question number 37. War and Peace, an epic late of Napoleonic invasion is written by Dash. War and Peace, an epic late of Napoleonic invasion is written by Dash. Correct answer. Option C. Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy. Question number 38. The central idea of Under the Greenwood Tree is that. The central idea of Under the Greenwood Tree is that. Correct answer. Option D. Life in nature is simple and free. Life in nature is simple and free. Correct answer. Option D. So, question number 39. In Under the Greenwood Tree, which of the following is mentioned as an enemy? Under the Greenwood Tree, which of the following is mentioned as an enemy? Correct answer. Option B. Forest. Question number 40. The Return of the Native is written by Dash. The Return of the Native is written by Dash. Correct answer. Option D. Thomas Hardy. Question number 41. Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes was written by Dash. Correct answer. Option D. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Question number 42. Who created the detective Sherlock Holmes? Who created the detective Sherlock Holmes? Correct answer. Option C. Sir A. Conan Doyle. Sir A. Conan Doyle. Question number 43. God of the people, by the people, for the people was observed by Dash. God of the people, by the people, for the people was observed by Dash. Correct answer. Option A. Abraham Lincoln. Question number 44. Who may fool some of the people some of the time? Who can even fool some of the people all the time? But you can't fool all the people all the time, was stated by Dash. You may fool some of the people some of the time. You can even fool some of the people all the time, but you can't fool all the people all the time, was stated by Dash. Correct answer. Option C. Abraham Lincoln. Question number 45. Give me good mothers, I will give you a good nation, was the observation of Dash. Correct answer. Option D. Option C, right? Napoleon. Napoleon. Question number 46. Who is not a poet laureate? Who is not a poet laureate? Correct answer. Option C. Robert Browning. Robert Browning. Question number 47. Who was a poet laureate after William Wordsworth? Who was a poet laureate after William Wordsworth? Correct answer. Option A. Alfred Tennyson. Alfred Tennyson. Right. Question number 48. Who is the author of The Origin of Species? The Origin of Species. Correct answer. Option A. C. Darwin. C. Darwin. Question number 49. Who is the author of Arabian Nights? Who is the author of Arabian Nights? Correct answer. Option A. Sir Richard Burton. Sir Richard Burton. Question number 50. The Victorian Age is named after Dash. The Victorian Age is named after Dash. Correct answer. Option D. Queen Victoria. Question number 51. The appropriate meaning of the word monologue is dash. The appropriate meaning of the word monologue is dash. Correct answer. Option A. A long speech in a play spoken by one actor especially when alone. A long speech in a play spoken by one actor especially when alone. Question number 52. Who wrote patriotism? Who wrote patriotism? Correct answer. Option C. Sir Walter Scott. Sir Walter Scott. Question number 53. A novel is not written in dash. A novel is not written in dash. Correct answer. Option C. Rhyme. Right. Question number 54. Who is the father of short story? Who is the father of short story? Correct answer. Option A. Ed Allan Poe. Ed Allan Poe, right? Ed Allan Poe. And the last question from the Victorian period, question number 55. Tennyson's In Memoriam is dash. Tennyson's In Memoriam is dash. Correct answer. Option A. An elegy. Right. So that's all about today's lecture. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. So if you really like this video, please press on the like button and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.